Welcome to the Keto Bistro weigh-in weeks 8 and 9. I didn't have a lot to say about week 8. I did pretty poorly on my eating habits. I didn't go off completely, but there were lots of cheat items, cheat meals. So I added a different chart this time. I wanted to show that what might happen. You might have a stall, but losing weight versus losing fat. So weight loss and fat loss. So fat loss, when you're on keto and you stay in ketosis and you're doing things the way you should be doing, you may see it in your clothes more so than you see it on the scale. You also might see on a scale an increase in weight. I haven't had that happen yet, but I have had some very small weight loss. So let's look at week 8. I was 198.9. So I did lose some. I went down to 198. So one of the things that I wanted to focus on, because I am having some cramps, but I also have been looking at some research, and it's talking about skin elasticity and losing weight. So you want to stay hydrated. Hydration is going to be key. Hydration is important in a lot of factors as far as your skin elasticity and also in your organ performance. So you want to make sure you stay hydrated enough for all your organs to work at maximum capacity. And in addition to hydration, you need to get your electrolytes. So like I said, I've cramped a good bit these 2 weeks, so I wanted to make sure I was getting electrolytes as well. So week 9's weigh-in. I did a little bit better, so I went down to 196, so that was excellent weight loss. One of the things that I added that's going to be my favorite meal, I'll make it a lot, it was easy and convenient for lunch, is the pepper pizzas. So usually I would do a Mexican stuffed pepper, but if you want to look up the stuffed pepper, I have a video for that. Excellent to take if you take a lunch and can heat it up in a microwave. In addition, I have added some snacks to my meal program. So you may want to look at the snack hauls, salty and sweet, that I've added as well. So in addition to some snack items, I've added some basic squat moves. So number 1 that you saw, I'm just going to do my legs shoulder length apart and squat. And one of the things, when I used to take nutrition and fitness courses, the key to the basic squat and not hurting your knees, for those of you that are a little bit older like me, is to press down like you're sitting in a chair and press down on your heels. So you're not pressing at your arch or your toes, that you're pressing and sitting where your weight is pushing against your heels. I'm trying to do 10 of those in the morning when I'm getting ready. So drying my hair, fixing my hair, brushing it, brushing my teeth. Then I'll try to do 10 when I go to the restroom, or 20 depending on how much my legs can take it, and I've already saw the strength in it. So toning up is going to be also one of the keys to helping with elasticity. I hope you have enjoyed watching the weigh-ins. I'm adding macros and ingredients in the descriptions of most of my meals. That's one of my goals for YouTube, is to start adding those macros. So when you meal prep, it's real easy for you to see what you want to make throughout the week. If you have enjoyed this, please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks again.